Silently gliding through city streets or along beautiful paths, electric trikes are eco-friendly and easy to ride. These must-have electric trikes mix comfort and power, making them great for traveling, running tasks, or simply enjoying a relaxing ride. Number 15. MOONCOOL Electric Tricycle. This electric tricycle stands out for its combination of flexibility and performance, making it a top choice for those in need of a reliable ride. With 3 riding modes, it adapts to varying preferences, whether as a fully electric trike, an assisted option, or a traditional pedal-powered experience. Its powerful motor ensures a smooth journey, while puncture-resistant fat tires provide stability across different terrains. Designed for daily use, it also features a spacious rear basket and LED headlights, enhancing both practicality and safety, a must-have for convenient, eco-friendly transport. Number 14. PERRARO PANDA Foldable Electric Trike. An ideal choice for those seeking a practical and powerful electric tricycle. This model combines safety, comfort, and ease of use. It features turn signals, dual parking brakes, and a differential for smooth cornering and stability. With a 750-watt motor and a long-lasting battery, it delivers up to 90 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for extended rides. A reverse gear adds convenience for parking, while spacious baskets, including a pet-friendly option, make errands easier. Designed for reliable performance, it's a must-have for electric trike enthusiasts. Number 13. GEEMAX Electric Tricycle. For those seeking a reliable electric tricycle, this model offers a great balance of power and comfort. With wide, puncture-resistant tires, it handles various terrains, including snow, sand, and gravel, making outdoor rides smooth and enjoyable. Equipped with a 350-watt motor and a long-lasting battery, it can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and cover up to 40 miles on a single charge. The LCD tracks speed and battery life, while the adjustable seat ensures comfort. Easy assembly and sturdy design make it a must-have electric trike. Number 12. ADDMOTOR Tri E310 Electric Trike. This foldable electric trike offers excellent power and convenience. It is designed for short trips and outdoor activities. It has a 750-watt motor that can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a 48-volt battery that provides up to 90 miles of range. The foldable frame and handlebar make it easy to store and transport, while the rear speed differential ensures smoother cornering. With a parking brake system for added control, this electric trike is ideal for those seeking a reliable, versatile ride. Number 11. MAXFOOT MF31 Electric Tricycle. Ideal for adult riders seeking a reliable mode of transportation, this electric trike boasts a robust rear-drive motor that delivers impressive torque and enhanced traction on various terrains. With a UL-certified battery, it offers an amazing range of up to 85 miles, ensuring long-distance rides are possible. Equipped with a comfortable suspension system and adjustable features, it provides a smooth journey. Safety is prioritized with dual-disc brakes, lights, and a secure parking brake, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Number 10. DWMEIGI STEP-THRU Electric Tricycle. Suitable for adults seeking an enjoyable and practical ride, this electric tricycle features a dependable 350 watts motor and a 36-voltage lithium battery, allowing speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and a range of 25 to 35 miles, depending on the mode. Its 24-inch wheels and adjustable seat accommodate various heights, ensuring comfort for all riders. The low step-through design makes it accessible, especially for seniors. A spacious cargo basket also enhances convenience for errands or leisure activities, making this trike a valuable addition to any commuting routine. Number 9. ECOTRIC Electric Tricycle. This 3-wheeled electric ride offers reliable comfort and efficiency, ideal for beginners exploring electric trikes. The suspension absorbs shocks for a smooth experience on various terrains. Powerful motor and fast-charging battery allow longer trips with minimal wait time. Safety features like front and rear lights, brake systems, and easy-to-read LCDs ensure users are in control. Designed for convenience, the adjustable seats and handles accommodate adults of different heights, making it a practical option for new electric trike enthusiasts. Number 8. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. A flexible option for electric trike enthusiasts, this 3-wheeled model offers smooth rides with its front suspension and cushioned seat. It provides a 48-volt battery, ensuring a range of up to 38.5 miles. Riders can choose between 3 modes, including pedal assist, to suit their preferences. The 350-watt motor allows for a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, while the 7-speed system ensures flexibility on different terrains. Additionally, the spacious rear basket offers plenty of room for cargo, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Number 7. Electric XP Trike. Combining comfort and performance, this innovative electric trike offers exceptional features for various riders. Its foldable design allows easy storage, while the powerful 500-watt motor ensures smooth rides on different terrains. With a removable lithium-ion battery providing a range of up to 60 miles, this trike also includes hydraulic brakes for safety. The spacious frame accommodates diverse rider heights, and its adjustable components ensure a customized fit. Enhanced with integrated lights and a user-friendly LCD, it guarantees visibility and convenience. Ideal for those seeking a reliable and versatile transportation option, this electric trike stands out in its class. Number 6. ETNNIC Fast Evo. This model is an advanced electric trike with full suspension for smooth rides, even on challenging terrain. Its adjustable tilt system enhances balance and can be locked for added support. Powered by a 95 Newton-meter motor and a 768 watt-hour battery, it offers an impressive 120-kilometer range. The trike combines sportiness with comfort, making it ideal for those looking for both excitement and stability. With premium components and a design focused on user experience, it delivers high performance for various riding conditions. Perfect for anyone seeking a versatile and fun electric trike. Number 5. VICTRIP DIONE Electric Trike Bike. When considering electric trikes, an option with a 31.5 ampere-hour battery offers a range of 100 miles and a 4 to 6 hour charge time, ensuring long rides. Its strong aluminum frame, low-step design, and powerful 750-watt motor support riders of all ages and abilities. It prioritizes safety and is equipped with 3 disc brakes, a parking system, and an integrated lighting system. Features like the large rear basket, LED lights, and a user-friendly LCD provide practicality. With a max speed of 25 miles per hour, excellent torque, and a 450-pound capacity, it is ideal for climbing hills and carrying loads. Number 4. RadTrike Electric Tricycle. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use electric trike, this option offers great features. With a 750-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, it covers 20 to 55 miles per charge. Its 18-inch wheels and steel frame support up to 415 pounds. With single-speed gearing, it's perfect for city rides or errands. The front disc and rear coaster brakes provide added safety, while the adjustable cushioned seat ensures comfort. The speed is limited to 14 miles per hour, with 5 pedal assist levels for easy control. Though assembly is required, it's perfect for those prioritizing comfort and stability. Number 3. Buzz CERANA T E-TRICYCLE. For those seeking a dependable electric trike, this mid-drive model offers a 350-watt motor positioned near the pedals, enhancing efficiency and range. Its 36-volt battery provides a range of 20 to 40 miles per charge, recharging in 2 to 6 hours. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it features 4 pedal assist levels. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes add to safety, while cargo baskets in both front and rear offer ample storage. Stability is ensured by a larger front wheel and 2 smaller rear wheels, making it a practical choice. Number 2. ADDMOTOR ARISETAN Electric Trike. A durable and efficient electric trike designed for adults, this model features a 750-watt rear-mounted motor that enhances traction and stability. Its 48-volt and 20 ampere-hour battery allows a maximum range of up to 85 miles per charge, taking 8 to 10 hours to fully recharge. Equipped with a parking brake system, it offers added control on slopes. The rear speed differential ensures smoother turning, while the mid-axis torque sensor provides a more natural pedaling experience. With a payload capacity of 380 pounds and front suspension, it's ideal for comfortable long-distance rides on varied terrains. Number 1. EMOJO Bull Electric Trike Bike. This electric trike offers a low step-through frame, making it easy to mount and dismount, especially for older riders or those with limited mobility. Powered by a 500-watt motor, it provides a range of up to 65 miles with one battery, or 100 miles with an additional one. The 7-speed gear system helps tackle various terrains, while the differential ensures stable cornering and safer acceleration. With a rear basket that supports up to 100 pounds, it's perfect for carrying groceries or other essentials. That's all for this video.